Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The US dollar will continue its growth in 2010, which started at the end of this year, and will recover its position after decrease, which was lasting over the most part of 2009. This is a forecast of the leading analyst strategies of the largest banks. The improvement of the US economic indexes has strengthened expectations that the US Federal Reserve System would raise the key interest rate earlier than it was expected. These expectations have been supporting the dollar against the euro and the Japanese yen since the beginning of December. According to the middle forecast of the major financial institutes, the euro-dollar pair will be trading at the rate of 1.43 at the end of the year. However, the survey carried out in October showed that in analysts' opinion the euro should have been traded against the dollar at level of 1.48 US dollar by the 31st of December 2009. The middle forecast supposes also that by the 30th of June 2010, the euro-USD pair should achieve the rate of 1.42, and to the end of the next year it should fall to 1.40. In accordance with the middle forecast of the respondent analysts, the dollar-yen pair should grow up to 91 by the 31st of December 2009, to 95 by the end of June 2010, and 200 by the 31st of December 2010. Over the most part of 2009, the very low interest rates in the USA were inducing investors to buy the euro and other assets, which are sensitive to the economic expansion rates, when there were signs pointing to the fact that the economy is recovering after the worst recession for the several decades. In this case, investors were borrowing the cheap dollars and buying more risky assets for it. However, in these later days, such type of trading apparently has changed. Now more favorable US economic data than it was expected support the American currency, because it more and more convinces investors that the FRS will raise the interest rates earlier than it was expected. The strengthening of the dollar-yen pair in 2010, after reduction in November till the 14-year low, is also forecasted in view of that the Japanese authorities tightened its position concerning the deflation. This induced expectations that the interest rates in Japan will maintain low and will exert the downward pressure on the yen. Since the Bank of Japan will unlikely raise the key interest rate soon, the yen will remain as the most popular borrowed currency in trading as the difference between interest rates. At such trading, investors use the low-yield currency for the purchase financing of more yield assets. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Stichina. Goodbye.